In this video, you will learn all about functions in less than 5 minutes. Essentially, functions take inputs and return outputs. That's the intuition. Think of it as an output machine, where it takes the domain and maps those values to the range. Two domain values can share a range, but one domain value can't have two range outputs. Function is a rule that assigns to each input x got one output f of x take. This example, x squared plus 1. If you plug in 2 to the function, it returns a 5, which we can now plot in the graph. It is useful to plot functions on the graph as it visualizes the domain and range. Thank you for watching. We turn textbooks into visual videos, so like and subscribe to learn more.